Then the roles of the corporate secretary during the meeting include during the meetings. What is the role of the corporate secretary during the meetings? Now, this is the executive phase or the advisory phase. During the meeting, the secretary acts as both an advisor on governance and an objective recorder of proceedings. So during the meeting, it is the company secretary who is consulted on legal matters and so on. So the first role during the meeting is quorum verification. Quorum verification. Quorum verification. Quorum is a very important matter. The secretary has to confirm to the chairperson that the meeting is properly constituted before any business commences. 2. Advising the board. During the meeting, the board looks to the company secretary for advice. The secretary provides expert guidance on governance matters, legal requirements, and also procedural rules like points of order and so on. 3. Documenting discussions. Documenting discussions. That is the work of the corporate secretary during the meeting, taking concise, accurate, and objective notes. The secretary captures the essence of the debate, the rationale behind decisions, and the resulting resolutions, rather than just a verbatim transcript. Documenting the discussions. Then number 4, conflict management. We all know that there are meetings that could be very heated. There are meetings where conflicts, tempers can be high. So the company secretary has to monitor declarations of interest and also ensure directors who have conflict recuse themselves from relevant discussions. That is the work of the CS during the meeting.